So I always like climbing in, and usually even 1 foot climbed in.
And just pop the battery, so everything starts.
Yep. I'll let you touch all the buttons. So you got here is your enter. And then we're going to make sure there's no exceedances. And then we make sure, and that's all the same. So we can do fuel on board sync.
And that just checks the weight of the fuel.
Yep, and it shows us our CG in a picture format as well. So we're slightly forward. We're at 163, which is 163, 164 is the sweet spot.
Okay.
And then we confirm the weight and balance. And then hit engine page, which is here.
And
so
then, okay.
Then we'll go through our flow.
Rotor brake. Fuel shut off. AC's off. And then it's...
Throttles.
Throttles are idle. Vents closed. That's closed. And then, is that it?
That's it there. And then we'll come to this. We're looking at voltage.
Making sure we have over, was it 25.7?
Yep. And then we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 reds.
And then the gen and weight on gear. So we're good to start.
Yep, and then timer. Enter.
Enter. Okay.
Everything's clear. No mountain goats.
Nobody climbed up on the rock behind us. All right. And ready?
Ready. Pressure is alive, temperature is alive.
Those should start to clear out.
Yeah, at 50 NG the start goes out.
Okay.
Check, check.
Check, check. So 64, can pull the generator on.
Yep. Amperage.
40 amps. So it's all good? Yep. All right. Yep.
Man, you're like, well, you're trained up. That's amazing. And look at that, we're green already on everything.
Everything's green. So then we can flip to fly?
Uh-huh, and I'll do it from mine.
Yeah.
Flip to fly, I like that. And then let's watch it. We'll watch the RPM.
Let it do it.
And then the warning goes out right there at 97, 98. Yep.
Okay.
That's literally it.
That's amazing.
Yeah, we can put in direct to P19.
Stellar Air Park.
And we know where we're going. And what I really should always remember to do is turn off the HTWAS, the terrain, because it's going to yell at me the whole time taking off.
Yeah.
And I always forget to do this, so let's see if I can find it. Where is it? Come on. Inhibit.
Oh, nice.
Okay.
Can I follow through on the camera? You want it going?
It should be going.
Okay.